Take a ride in the 2019 Honda CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, front floor mats, ABS four-wheel disc brakes, auto-off headlights, universal garage door opener, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.